time slows down when it can get no worse. I can feel it running out on me. I don't want these to be my last words. All forgotten, 'cause that's all they'll be. Now there's only
What is the time?
The current time is 13 hours, 53 minutes, and 46 seconds p.m.
WhatsApp message, Rahman.
Wishing there was something left to lose. This could be the day I
Late dive for you.
What do you see before it's over? Blinding flash is getting closer. Wish that I had something left to lose. This could be the day I die for you. This could be the day I die for you. This could be the day I die for you. This could be the day. Everything I know, everything I hold tight. When to let it go, when to make them all fight. When I'm in control, when I'm out of my mind. When I gotta live, when I gotta die, gotta die. Everything I know, everything I hold tight. When to let it go, when to make them all fight. When I'm in control, when I'm out of my mind. When I gotta live, when I gotta die. This could be the day I die for you. Feeling like there's nothing I can do. This could be the end, it's mine to choose. It's taken me my lifetime just to prove. This could be the day I die for you. Don't let it be the day. What do you see before it's over? Blinded flash is getting closer. Sacrificing everything I knew. This could be the day I die for you. This could be the day I die for you. Everything I know, everything I hold tight. When to let it go, when to make them all fight. When I'm in control, when I'm out of my mind. When I gotta live, when I gotta die.
So hello everyone, my name is and today we are going to talk about my latest project, that is Rocket AI CHATBOT, a web application based on a fictional character, Raccoon, using Python and Flask framework. I have used HTML, CSS for user interface and used JavaScript to make it more dynamic and creative. So let's move on to my PC and check the application. Okay, so let's move on to the main directory. Yeah. This is the main directory where I have a Python application. Here is the Python code. Let's move it real quick. I've used a lot of APIs in. Well, I'm going to show you later. This is the HTML code and the JavaScript code. Finally, the CSS. Let's move it real quick. Okay, so let's now run the application. Here. It will first ask for your name. Satyanshu. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the basic UI here. This is the title. This is the whole chat container where you type in messages, or you can just give voice commands here. And I have also integrated light and dark theme, as you can see, with a slider button. And here is the heading of the Rocket AI bot. I have added a favicon here, a small icon, and a small icon here, and just a normal story to begin with. And here it's heavily based on Rocket Raccoon. So I have slideshowed some stickers of Rocket Raccoon. So now let's move on to the working of the bot. To begin with, let's just type a simple command: hi.
Hello. How can I help you?
Okay, so let's move on to the basic Windows functionalities where we can ask the chatbot for time.
The current time is 16 hours 46 minutes and 51 seconds, PM.
Date.
The current date is August 25th, 2023.
Or we can also just input the voice command here. What is the time?
The current time is 16 hours 59 minutes and 6 seconds, PM.
I'll just tap on this mic button. Play a song.
Playing Kosh I.
We can also just say open word. Let's say open Telegram. Here you go. Open calculator. Here you go. It's very easy and very fast, as you can see. Open Arduino. Open mail. Nice. There is a camera button also, which we can just simply click to get the data. Here we can take photos directly from here and send it into the chat. See, it's that easy. So these were some basic Windows application tasks which can be performed easily by inputting your voice or entering some keywords. But now let's move on to APIs, which are application program interface. So what API does is take data from a server and sends data to your application through internet by using API calls. I have integrated some APIs into my AI chatbot, so let's check it out. So the first API is very basic and simple. So I'll first type code. Okay, let's get another one. Okay, so if we want to know weather of any city in the world, we just type weather. It will ask for the city name. I'll just say Ghaziabad. Here, let's get another city. Weather. Spain. Let's try Spain. Spain's current weather at 25:08:23. Okay, so let's move on to our next API, that is News API. Samachar. It will give the headlines of the top 10 news around the world. Even we can get the category news. For example, if we want the news of Internet of Things news. So now let's move on to the next API, that is Pixabay API. It will just give you some pictures from the internet. Let's type apple pic. I want an apple pic.
Static / pixabay _ images / random _
That's
pics
very
_
random.
image _ 13.jpg.
Let's try forest pic.
Static / pixabay _
that
images
is good.
/ random
You can just
_ pics
simply
_ image
save it.
_ 17.jpg.
Okay, let's try football pic.
Static / pixabay _ images / random _ pics _ image _ 0.jpg.
So that's how you can get pictures from the internet. We can also integrate Giphy API, Tanner GIF, Unsplash, and many more APIs from the internet. I've chosen Pixabay, but I've tried all of these, and you can try it too. Okay, so let's move on to our next API, that is OpenAI. Okay, so this one is very interesting. We can ask anything to this chatbot. Okay, let's just type it. AI, how can we end world hunger?
Ending world hunger is a complex issue that requires a comprehensive approach. We need to focus on improving access to food and nutrition, reducing poverty, promoting sustainable agricultural practices, and improving education and access to health services. Governments, international organizations, and civil society need to work together to develop strategies and implement policies that will ensure that everyone has access to the food and nutrition they need.
Okay, let's try another. AI, how to connect ESP32 to a web application.
1. Connect the ESP32 to your local network using Wi-Fi. 2. Create a web server on the ESP32 using the Arduino IDE. 3. Set up the web server to receive and send data to your web application. 4. Use an HTTP request library to send and receive data between the ESP32 and the web application. 5. Test the connection between the ESP32 and the web application.
So now let's move on to the next section of the video, that is web scraping. I have extracted data from two websites that are Flipkart and freshworld.com. So let's check it out. Okay, so we can search any product and their price on the Flipkart directly from this chat container. Let's see. Shopping. I would say Asus F15.
Product 1. Asus TUF Gaming F15 Core i5 12th Gen, 16GB/512GB SSD/Windows 11 Home/4GB Graphics/NVIDIA GeForce. Price, 79,990 Indian rupees.
Okay, let's try another product. Shopping. Apple iPhone. Here you go. Okay, so let's find jobs. I'll type computer science jobs. Okay, let's type another job. Digital marketing jobs. Okay, so now let's move on to the more interesting part of the video, that is web automation. So I have used PyWhatKit, Selenium, WebDriver, and PyAutoGUI to automate some of the things which we do manually. So let's check it. Okay, so I have automated Google search. Let's try this. Google search Emma Watson. It will just type it.
Google search of Emma Watson is completed.
Okay, let's try another one. Google search Chandrayaan 3.
Google search of Chandrayaan-3 is completed.
Okay, now let's move on to YouTube. Play Gasolina on YouTube.
Playing Gasolina on YouTube.
Play Dhruv Rathi videos on YouTube.
Playing Dhruv Rathi videos on YouTube.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, 22 अक्टूबर साल 2008 इंडिया के द्वारा चंद्रयान 1 मिशन लॉन्च किया जाता है। चांद पर पहुंचकर
Play Na Samajh by Aditya Rikhadi on YouTube.
Playing Na Samajh by Aditya Rikhadi on YouTube.
Now let's move on to the more interesting part, that is WhatsApp messaging. Okay, let's try WhatsApp messaging. So I'll go with Sudhanshu first. WhatsApp message Sudhanshu. Hey, what are you doing tomorrow? And we'll take some time. Send it.
Message sent to Sudhanshu.
Nice. Okay, so now let's try another contact. WhatsApp message Fiza. Is the work done yet? Okay, it took get. Okay, so that was some my pronunciation error.
Message sent to Fiza.
So that was awesome. But being an IoT engineer, I can't stay much away from the hardware part, like playing with the microcontrollers. So I've integrated some IoT in the chatbot too. So let's move to the IoT section. Okay, so I'll be using this cam now to show my IoT integration in my chatbot. So let's just control these LEDs. I'll say turn on green LED.
Turning on green LED.
Turn on red LED.
Turning on red.
Turn on blue LED.
Turning on blue LED.
And let's say turn off red LED.
Turning off red.
Turn off green LED. Oh, I think it didn't look. Okay, so now let's try this light. So let me focus first. Okay, nice. Turn on light.
Turning on light.
Okay. Turn off light.
Turning off light.
Okay, now let's try the ambient light here. I'll just say turn on ambient light.
Turning on ambient lighting.
Turn off ambient light.
Turning off ambient lighting.
I've used these relay to control these 220 volt appliances. And here is my bulb. Okay, so let's try another. Turn on everything.
Turning on everything.
Turn off everything.
Turning off everything.
Okay. Turn on ambient light.
Turning on ambient lighting.
Let's get the data from this DHT11 into our chatbot. What is my room temperature?
Temperature 33.208 degrees C. Humidity 46%.
Okay, I'll try to get some heat into this. What is my room temperature?
Temperature 33.408 degrees C. Humidity 46%.
Okay, nice one.
Hello. How can I help you? Hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Rudra. How old are you? Great. So, Rudra, you are 23 years old.
ओके तो यार देखो, वीडियो को कर दो लाइक, ठीक है, कमेंट कर दो और भर के शेयर कर दो। ये वीडियो जो बनाई गई थी ये लिंक्डइन के लिए थी। मैं चाह रहा था कि इसको हिंदी में डब करके, मतलब उसको मैं दोबारा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है ऑफ कोर्स, तो हिंदी में पूरा करके इसको यूट्यूब पर डाला जाए, बट ऑलरेडी ये वीडियो बहुत बड़ी थी और अगर इसमें मैं कुछ करने की कोशिश करता तो वीडियो लिटरली 25-26 मिनट की बनती, जो मतलब नहीं था कुछ। सो अगर मुझे अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है इस वीडियो पे तो मैं ऐसे कंटेंट को अच्छे से लेकर आऊँगा यूट्यूब के लिए। तो शेयर कर दो, लाइक कर दो और कमेंट कर दो और सब्सक्राइब कर दो। मेरे 82 फॉलोअर्स हैं अभी। इस वीडियो के बाद अगर 100 होते हैं तो एक और वीडियो मैं डाल दूंगा। थैंक यू।